Welcome to our guide on becoming a welder, a profession that combines skill, stability, and the opportunity for advancement. Today, we'll break down the key stages of becoming a welder and answer some common questions about this essential trade. Let's start with education. Choosing a learning method is crucial, whether it's a trade school or an apprenticeship. Trade schools offer structured programs and support, while apprenticeships provide hands-on experience with seasoned welders. Next, certifications. They're not just beneficial, they're often necessary to showcase your skills and knowledge. The American Welding Society offers credentials that are recognized in the U.S. and internationally, enhancing your professional credibility. Moving on to apprenticeships. Utilize trade school resources or local unions to find the right apprenticeship for you. This is where you'll gain invaluable, hands-on experience. Some programs may require a welding exam before you start. After your apprenticeship and any required exams, you'll earn your journeyperson status and can begin work as a journey-level welder. But the learning doesn't stop there. Continue to learn new techniques to maintain demand for your expertise. Ready to ignite your welding career? Visit tradeschools.net to find the right program for you. And remember, whether you're seeking stability or the thrill of advancement, welding is a career that truly shines.